The Galaxy Tab 10.1 is one of the best mid-range tablets that you can buy for your basic digital needs. It is cost-effective for its size and specifications, and generally reliable. However, some users have reported trouble with it. In this video, we'll show the things that you can do if your Galaxy Tab 10.1 won't turn on. Charge your phone. If your Tab at 10.1 won't turn on for no obvious reason, what you want to do first is to charge it. Many Android users tend to panic immediately when their device won't power back on after pressing the power on button. If the device has become unresponsive and the screen stays black when you turn it on, its battery may have simply become too weak to work. Try charging it for at least 30 minutes to see what happens. Make sure not to press the power button at this time to allow charging to proceed uninterrupted. Forced restart. All Samsung devices with power issues can benefit from a restart. Even in this extreme case, you don't want to skip this simple solution. Here's what you need to do. Press and hold the volume down button and the power key at the same time for 10 seconds, or until the device's screen turns up. Confirm charging accessories are working. There may be a problem with the current set of charging cable and adapter. The USB cable that comes with Samsung devices is composed of tiny wires inside. If there's enough of these wires that got broken, charging may not occur. To check if that's the case, charge your phone using a new set of cable and adapter. If you see obvious signs of physical damage to the USB cable or adapter, consider getting a new pair. Visually check the charging ports. Another common reason why a Galaxy device fails to turn on is the lack of power, and that's because there's something in the charging that prevents it to charge. Try to check the charging port using a magnifying tool if possible. If you see that there's dirt, lint, or foreign object inside, that's probably the reason why the battery has died. Once the battery has drained its power, the device no longer charges normally because something prevents it, or there may be damage to the charging port. Confirm screen is working. Screen troubles usually start after a device has been physically damaged, like when it's dropped or hit by something hard. If your phone still makes a sound, vibrates, or shows LED light indicators although the screen stays black, there must be a hardware malfunction with the screen only. Try to force restart your phone to see if that helps. If nothing changes, have the screen replaced by Samsung. Restart in safe mode. There are some cases wherein a Samsung Galaxy device may not turn on because of a bad app. To check if you've installed a rogue app that's preventing the phone from turning on, you can try to restart it to safe mode. In this mode, only apps that came with the operating system will be allowed to run. All the rest that you've added will be blocked. So, if one of them is causing your tablet to not work, you should know it. Basically, the idea is that since no third-party apps are running on safe mode and the tablet turns on, the root cause must be one of them. Boot to recovery mode or download mode. Another possible reason why our Tab at 10.1 won't turn on may have something to do with Android operating systems. Although, its rare updates or system-wide changes may sometimes cause severe coding problems that may prevent Android from booting up properly. This can manifest in failing to restart, being stuck in Samsung logo screen, or failing to power back on after turning off. If the cause of the problem is an Android glitch, you should still be able to restart the device to other software environments, like recovery mode or download mode. Get help from Samsung. All of the troubleshooting steps earlier will only help if the cause of the trouble is software in nature. If nothing changed, and your tablet 10.1 still won't turn on even after a factory reset, there must be a hardware malfunction causing it. Contact Samsung for repair appointment, or visit your nearest Samsung service center so your tablet can be examined. That's it. We hope this video is helpful to you. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos in the future.